If you live in Taylor, MI, you know how unpredictable the weather can be. Freezing winters, humid summers, and everything in between can take a toll on your home's comfort and your energy bills. One of the most effective upgrades homeowners are choosing to combat these challenges is vinyl window installation. Beyond improving curb appeal, vinyl windows play a major role in boosting energy efficiency and keeping homes comfortable year-round. Keeping heat where it belongs during Michigan winter's cold air infiltration is one of the biggest energy drains in older Taylor homes. Drafty or single-pane windows allow heat to escape, forcing your furnace to work overtime. Modern vinyl windows are designed with multi-chambered frames and insulated glass, which help prevent heat loss during the winter months. When properly installed, vinyl windows create a tight seal that blocks cold drafts and maintains consistent indoor temperatures. This means your heating system doesn't have to constantly cycle on and off, helping reduce energy usage and lowering monthly utility bills, something every homeowner appreciates during long Michigan winters. Blocking heat and UV rays in the summer energy efficiency isn't just about staying warm in winter. Summers in Taylor can be hot and sticky, and older windows often allow excess heat and UV rays to pour inside. Vinyl replacement windows commonly feature low emissivity coatings, which reflect heat away from your home while still allowing natural light to enter. This keeps your living spaces cooler, reduces strain on your air conditioning system, and helps prevent fading of furniture, flooring, and curtains caused by UV exposure. The result is a more comfortable home and lower cooling costs during peak summer months. Superior insulation compared to other materials. Vinyl is naturally an excellent insulator. Unlike aluminum, which conducts heat and cold, vinyl resists temperature transfer. This property helps maintain stable indoor conditions regardless of outside weather swings, a major benefit in Taylor's seasonal climate. Many vinyl windows also include double-pane or triple-pane glass filled with insulating gas, such as argon. These layers work together to significantly reduce thermal transfer, making your home more energy efficient without sacrificing comfort or aesthetics. Airtight installation makes all the difference. Even the most advanced window won't perform well without proper installation. Professional vinyl window installation ensures gaps, cracks, and air leaks are sealed correctly. This airtight fit is crucial for maximizing energy efficiency. Homeowners in Taylor often notice immediate improvements after installation: fewer drafts, more even room temperatures, and quieter interiors thanks to added sound insulation. Over time, these benefits translate into measurable energy savings and a more enjoyable living environment. Long-term savings and low-maintenance energy-efficient vinyl windows don't just save money month to month. They're a smart long-term investment. Reduced energy consumption lowers wear and tear on heating and cooling systems, potentially extending their lifespan. Vinyl windows are also low-maintenance, resisting warping, rotting, and peeling, even in Michigan's fluctuating weather. With no need for repainting and easy cleaning, vinyl windows continue delivering energy efficiency benefits year after year with minimal upkeep. A comfortable, efficient home for Taylor families. For homeowners in Taylor, MI, vinyl window installation is one of the most impactful ways to improve energy efficiency. From reducing heating and cooling costs to enhancing comfort in every season, vinyl windows offer practical, lasting value. If your home feels drafty, your energy bills keep climbing, or your windows are simply outdated, upgrading to vinyl windows could be the solution that makes your home more efficient, comfortable, and cost-effective, no matter what Michigan weather brings.